How to change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your browser, and once inside you basically want to search for how to change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter or bicycle to car. From here you then want to navigate through the official Uber Eats website, which is this one. Change delivery method, driving and delivering. You want to go ahead and click on it, and once inside it will then go ahead and basically tell you the instruction for how to change it to something like, for example, motorbike to bicycle. If you wish to change your mode of delivery, please submit the form below. From here we then have our notes on how we can go ahead and do this, but basically all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the update my vehicle model. Now once inside, you can then go ahead and fill out necessary information in order to change your delivery method. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.